Headings, and why are they important? Now, if you've ever had a big chunk of text, you've probably been tempted to make your headings into just bold. You've probably gone into your editing software, like in here, and gone bold. Don't do that. You want to set the very top one to heading 1, which it probably will be if you're using WordPress. This is by default usually a heading 1, and that's the most important, so it's hierarchical. So this is a blog post all about headings, strangely. So this needs to be heading 1. You usually don't want more than one heading 1. It's not the end of the world if you do, but it's best to just have one heading 1. And then under that, it will be heading 2. And then if you've got a heading within a heading, it gets a bit weird. That will be a heading 3 and then heading 4. And you probably will never go beyond heading 4 or heading 5. So when you're editing your text, and this is specifically WordPress, but it will depend on your platform, but you should all have access to different headings. Same for word processing programs like Word and Google Docs and anything else that you're using, Pages by Apple. So to make stuff into headings, you'll literally just select the text and then change it to a heading. That one could be a heading 2, for example. And this is just a paragraph text, and you can see when I go over it, it changes it in there, so you can see what it actually is. And it makes it easier for website designers like me to change all of these headings that are heading 2 will all look like this, and all the headings that are heading 3 will look like this, and so on. And it's better for screen readers, people with accessibility issues that are having something read out the page that can understand the page better. For search engines like Google, if they can understand the structure of your page, it's better than if you have a competitor who's not doing that. And it's better for AI search. So if you're using, if someone's searching, say, for example, ChatGPT or Claude, which is my favorite, when they're searching for how do I do a thing, if your page comes up as a suggestion, that page is more likely to have been structured in that way. So make sure you use headings and not bolds. I hope that was helpful.